Hello everyone, I'm your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy Dove. So student, in today's lecture we are going to start remaining problems from the exercise 6.3. So we had already covered first 10 problem. So we are directly starts from the question number 11. So question number 11 is in figure E is a point on side CB produce of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. So given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, isosceles means triangle whose two sides are equal in length. So here in triangle ABC, side AB and side AC both are equal. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, then prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle EFC. So we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so one by one, first one, what we have to given that triangle ABC is an isosceles. That means AB is equals to AC. Okay. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Isosceles triangle means whose two sides are equal. So here AB and AC both are equal. Okay. So according to the isosceles triangle theorem, if two sides of triangles are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. That means side opposite to the sorry angle opposite to the side AB, that is angle C, and side angle opposite to the side AC, that is angle B. They both are also equal. Therefore, angle A sorry angle opposite to the side AB is angle ACB is also equals to the angle opposite to the side AC is B, that is angle ABC. Okay, that means angle ACB is congruent to angle ABC. यालाच आपण असं लिहू शकतो का, that is angle ए सी बी ला आपण असं म्हणू शकतो का, अँगल ई सी एफ जर आपण म्हणू शकतो, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रायंगल ई एफ सी. सो अँगल ई सी एफ is also equals to the angle ABD. Instead of angle ABC आपण त्याला angle ABD लिहू शकतो. And this is what our equation number first. Now consider these two triangles. Now in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Okay. Now we have to show that these two triangles are similar. For that, for triangle ABD, angle D is 90 degree, and for triangle ECF, angle F is 90 degree. That means angle ADB is congruent to the angle EFC. EFC. Why? Each of 90. And second one, from equation first, we already said that angle ECF is congruent to angle ABD from equation first. That is angle ABD equal म्हणजेच काय आहेत, congruent. Angle ABD congruent to angle ECF from first. So by using angle test, triangle ABD and triangle ECF both are similar to each other. So finally, triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF by angle test of similarity. Okay. Now question number 12 is side AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and medium PF of triangle PQR. Then show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. बात आपल्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये गिवन काय दिले, फॉर ट्रायंगल ABC AD is the median, and for triangle PQR segment PM is the median. Median means a line drawn from a vertex to its midpoint of opposite side. That means point D is the midpoint of side BC. So BD is equals to DC. And here for triangle PQR also, PM is the median. So QM is equals to EMR. Okay. Also given that side AB, side BC and this side AD are proportional to side PQ, side QR and side PM. Okay. And finally we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So one by one. Given that segment AD and segment PM are median of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If AD is the median, that means D is the midpoint. So BC or half of BC is equals to BD. BD क्या है? BD is nothing but the half of BC or DC is nothing but half of BC. Similarly, here also QM is half of QR. So therefore BD is equals to half of BC and QM is equals to half of QR, that is QR upon 2. Okay. Now consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Okay, why? Because given that AB is proportion with PQ, BC is a proportion with QR, and AD is proportion with PM. Okay, so in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, but given that or क्यों triangle ही consider करे इसने directly given that also given that AB is proportion with PQ, BC is proportion with QR, and finally AD is a proportion with PM. हे आपल्याला given आहे, right? Okay. Therefore AB upon PQ is equals to, आता BC is nothing but BC ला divide करा. So half of BC divided by half of QR, okay, is equals to AD upon PM. Why? Because we know that half of BC is nothing but BD and half of QR is nothing but QM. So what we get, AB upon PQ is equals to half of BC is nothing but BD, half of QR is nothing but QM is equals to AD upon PM. This is what our equation number first. Now consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. After considering these two triangles, both the triangles are similar by using side test, because all the three sides of first triangles are in same proportion with corresponding sides of another triangles. AB is proportion with PQ, BD is proportion with QM, and AD is proportion with PM. Therefore, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, from equation first, AB is proportion with PQ, BD is proportion with QM, and AD is proportion with PM. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM by side test. And we know that if two triangles are similar, then their all corresponding sides are in same proportion and all corresponding angles are congruent. So we get angle ABD is congruent to angle PQM. They are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. Therefore, angle ABD congruent to angle PQM, they are the corresponding parts of similar triangle. ठीक आहे, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Okay, if angle ABD is congruent to angle PQM, that means angle ABC is also congruent to angle PQR. That means angle ABC congruent to angle PQR, and this is what our equation number second. Now, what finally we have to prove in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, because we have to prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. So for triangle ABC and for triangle PQR, given that AB is proportion with PQ, BC is proportion with QR, and their included angle, that is angle B, is congruent to angle Q. So both the triangles are similar by using side angle side test. AB is a proportion with PQ, BC is a proportion with QR. This is the given statement, and from equation was angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. So both the triangles, this triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by side angle side test. This is what our question number. Question number 13 is, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that measure of angle ADC is equals to measure of angle BAC. Then show that CA square is equals to CB into CD. Okay. सुरुवातीला आपण एक फिगर ड्रॉ करूयात दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशन वरून. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल ABC. Okay. So here we are drawing triangle. Okay. Then D is a point on the side BC. So this is the triangle ABC and point D is on the side BC. Okay. So take point D on the side BC. Okay. So point D is on side BC. So here also given that measure of angle ADC is congruent to the angle BAC. So these two angles are congruent. Then show that CA square is equals to CB into CD. तर आपल्याला फायनली हे प्रूव्ह करायचंय CA square into CB into CD. Okay. मग हे प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू शो that their corresponding two triangles are similar, and once two triangles are similar, then we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Without corresponding sides are in same proportion, आपण हे प्रूव्ह करू शकत नाही. So regarding this, consider two triangle, that is triangle ADC and triangle BAC. First of all, prove that both the triangles are similar, then take their corresponding sides ratio. Okay. So is it for solution to proof? Given that सुरुवातीला given condition ला angle ADC similar to angle equals congruent to the angle BAC. हे आपल्याला given condition. This is what our equation number first. Okay. Finally CA square into is equals to CB into CD हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. त्याच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग CA square, that is CA, CB and CD यांच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग टू ट्रायंगल. सो इन ट्रायंगल दोन ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करायचे. इन ट्रायंगल BAC and triangle ADC. ओके, आपण हे दोन ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर केले. BAC is nothing but triangle ABC and second triangle ADC. Okay, so first of all prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. So from equation first, angle BAC congruent to angle ADC from first, and another one for both the triangle BAC and for triangle ADC, angle C is the common angle, that is angle ACB is congruent to angle DCA, common angle. Therefore both the triangles are similar by using angle test. So triangle BAC similar to triangle ADC by angle test. And finally, we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So we get AB upon AD is equals to AC upon DC is equals to BC upon AC. These are the corresponding parts of similar triangles. Okay. So finally आपल्याला काय require आहे? CA, CB and CD. So CA, CB and CD, that is AC लाच आपण CA लिहू शकतो upon DC म्हणजे CD, BC is nothing but CB and AC ला CA म्हणू शकतो. Okay. So now perform, both the ratios are equal. So perform cross multiplication and finally we get CA into CA square is equals to CB into CD. This is what we have to prove. Question number 14 is side AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC. Side AB, side AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of triangle PQR. Then show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 मध्ये काय पाहिलं होतं? AB, BC and median AD is proportional with PQ, QR and PM. Then we have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. आता ह्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला साइड AB, AC and median AD are proportional with PQ, PR and PM. Then show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so according to given that AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR, and AD is proportional to PM. आता आपल्या इथे कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचं. काय कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचंय? Produce or extend segment AD or median AD. Produce median AD and PM दोन्ही ट्रायंगलचे मीडियन्स आपल्याला काय करायचे? एक्सटेंड करायचे. प्रोड्यूस मीडियन AD and PM टू कोणत्या पॉइंट पर्यंत करायचे? टू ABCD E म्हणा ह्याला and PQR yes म्हणते टू E and yes. ओके, ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत आपल्याला काय करायचं? एक्सटेंड करायचे. ओके, सच दॅट पण एक्सटेंड करताना कसे करायचे? such that AD is equals to D for first triangle. जेवढा मीडियन AD आहे तेवढीच तुमची सेगमेंट D सुद्धा असणार आहे and PM is equals to EMS. ओके, सो आता सुरुवातीला आपण दोन फिगर ड्रॉ करूयात, दोन ट्रायंगल. A B C हा तुमचा पॉइंट D आणि जेवढा तुमचा AD तेवढंच हे आणि एक्सटेंड केल्यानंतर जॉईन BE and CE आपल्याला जॉईन करायचं. हा आपण कन्स्ट्रक्शन केल्यावर प्रोड्यूस सेगमेंट AD टू पॉइंट E आणि त्यानंतर आपण BD आणि C हे दोन पॉइंट काय केले? जॉईन केले. ओके, हा कन्स्ट्रक्शनचा पार्ट झाला आपला. सिमिलरली फॉर ट्रायंगल PQR. इथे सुद्धा आपल्याला सेगमेंट और मीडियन PM ला सुद्धा काय करायचंय? एक्सटेंड करायचंय अप टू द पॉइंट यस PQR and हा मीडियन PM ला आपण थोडंसं एक्सटेंड करूया such that PM is equals to EMS. Now join QS and RS. हा सुद्धा हा कन्स्ट्रक्शनचा पार्ट. ओके, काय केलं आपण? प्रोड्यूस मीडियन AD and PM टू पॉइंट E and S such that AD is equals to D and PM is equals to MS. हे कशात एकमेकांना congruent आहे. Okay. Now join B to E, E to C, Q to S and S to R हे आपण जॉईन केलं. ओके. आता त्याच्यानंतर इथे पहा बाय कन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे. AD is the median. AD median आहे. ADN असं लिहा. AD and PM are medians. Therefore काय मिळेल मग आपल्याला BD is equals to DC and QM is equals to what? MR. Why? Because AD and PM are the medians. Okay. And by construction आपल्याला काय मिळाले. AD is equals to DE and PM is equals to EMS by construction. So here diagonals of quadrilateral ABES पाहिजे. EC is a quadrilateral and whose diagonals, that is AE and BC, are bisecting each other at point D. आणि याचे डायगोनल एकमेकांना काय करतात, बायसेक्ट करतात. पहा AD is equals to DE आहे and BD is equals to DI. And if diagonals of any quadrilateral bisecting each other, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, इधर diagonals of diagonals of quadrilateral ABEC bisecting each other at D. त्या quadrilateralचे diagonal एकमेकांना कुठे बायसेक्ट करतात, at point D ला. Therefore quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram. म्हणून ते काय झाला, parallelogram झाला. If quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram, that means, or similarly, PQSR is also a parallelogram. Similarly, quadrilateral PQSR is a parallelogram, and if it is a parallelogram, that means their opposite sides are congruent. त्याचे opposite sides कशा असतात, congruent असतात. कारण आपल्याला माहिती आहे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पॅरलेलोग्राम काय असतात, देअर अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो थोडस राईट साइडला पहा. Therefore AC is equals to BE, AB is equals to PC, and for quadrilateral PQSR, PR is equals to QS and PQ is equals to SR. Now काय given दिलं आपल्याला, given that AB is a proportion with PQ, AC is a proportion with PR, and AD is a proportion with PR, right? So here AB is a proportion with PQ आहे. AC कोणाला कॉन्ग्रंट आहे, B ला कॉन्ग्रंट आहे. सो B हा कोणावर प्रपोर्शन विथ होईल, QS वर. का, कारण AC हा कोणाला प्रपोर्शन बरं, AC इज प्रपोर्शन विथ PR. That means AC is congruent to B and PR is congruent to QS. So B is proportion with QS. So BE is proportion with QS, and इथे AD instead of AD we can write twice AD, and twice AD is nothing but AE. So twice AD divided by twice PM. So what we get? We get AB is proportion with PQ, BE is proportion with QS is equals to twice of AD is nothing but AE and twice of PM is nothing but PS. Okay, so all the three sides of triangle ABE is proportion with three sides of another triangle PQS. That means these two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle BEA is similar to triangle QSP. These two triangles are similar to each other by side test of similarity. And if these two triangles are similar, then we know that their corresponding angles are congruent. त्याचे corresponding angle कसे असतात? Congruent. So angle BAE is congruent to angle. हा angle BAE कोणावर congruent असेल? QP. Yes. Therefore, angle BAE congruent to angle QSP. This is what equation number first. Reason, corresponding parts of similar triangles or corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay. Similarly, जसं आपण अँगल BEA is similar to angle QSP हे प्रूव्ह केलं. Similarly, we can prove that angle CEA is similar to triangle RSP. So similarly, we can prove what triangle CEA similar to triangle RSP. And if these two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding angles are also congruent. So these two angles are also congruent. So angle CAE is congruent to angle RPS. Angle RPS. This is what equation number first. Okay. हे इथपर्यंत लक्षात आलंय. मग आपल्याला इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मिळालं, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड मिळेल. नाव ऍड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड. आता तुम्हाला इक्वेशन फर्स्ट आणि इक्वेशन सेकंड साठी काय करायची? ऍडिशन करायची. करा ऍडिशन. ऍड equation first and second. Add equation first and second. So first of all, write their left hand side. So angle BAE plus angle CAE is equals to, now add their right hand side, angle QSP plus angle RPS. Okay, figure मध्ये पहा, angle BAE plus angle CAE म्हणजेच कोणता अँगल? BAC. According to angle addition postulate, ते दोघांची सम काय मिळेल? अँगल BAC is congruent to angle QSP. सॉरी, QPS आहे ना इथे. Angle QPS and angle RPS is nothing but angle QPR. This is what equation number third. So from equation third, we get these two angles are congruent to each other. हा angle का congruent सांगितला आपण? Because we already know AB is proportion with PQ and AC is proportion with PR. मतलब two sides of first triangle are in same proportion with two sides of another triangle. So to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, we have to prove that their corresponding or their included angle is also congruent. So आपण आता ह्या तीन स्टेप वरून हे प्रूव्ह केलं की अँगल BAC is congruent angle QPR. That means their included angle is congruent from equation third. Now in triangle, आता triangle ABC आणि triangle PQR मध्ये, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we already know that AB is a proportion with PQ and AC is a proportion with PR. And from equation third, angle BAC congruent to angle QPR. From Third, therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by side angle side test. This is what our question number 14 is. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time, at the same time, a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay, आता figure पहा. ह्या figure मध्ये let AB be the vertical pole whose length is 6 meter and PQ be the tower, आणि त्याची आपल्याला height find out करायची. A vertical pole AB cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. So we have to find the height of the tower. So first of all, let AB be the vertical pole of length 6 meter and PQ be height of tower. Cast a shadow of 28 meter. Okay. Although we know that every vertical object is perpendicular to the ground. प्रत्येक vertical object हा ground ला कसा असतो? Perpendicular असतो, like tower, pole. So therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. Why? Each of 90 degree. Also, angle BAC congruent to angle QPR. Why? Because this is the angle made due to sun. हा कुणामुळे अँगल फॉर्म होतोय? मेड ड्यू टू द सनलाइट किंवा सन मुळे हा अँगल फॉर्म होतोय. आणि हा कॉन्ग्रंट काय आहे? कारण की हा जो अँगल फॉर्म होतोय तो कधी होतोय? ऍट द सेम टाइम, एकाच वेळेस, राईट. So these two angles are congruent. Angle made due to sun. Angle made due to sun. That's why they are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by which test? By angle test. And we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Therefore, AB is proportion with PQ, BC is proportion with QR, and AC is proportion with PR. They are the corresponding sides of similar triangles, and they are in same proportion. So आपल्याला काय find out करायचं? We have to find the length of PQ. So consider AB is proportion with PQ and BC is proportion with QR. So what is the length of AB? 6. Length of PQ आपल्याला find out करायचं as it is. Length of BC 4 and length of QR 28. Now both the ratios are equal, so perform cross multiplications. What we get? PQ is equals to 28 into 6 divided by 4. So 4 7s are 28, 7 6 are 42 meters. We get height of the tower 42 meters. So height of tower is 42 meter, which cost 28 meter shadow. This is what our question number 15. Now question number 16 is, if AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then prove that AB is a proportion with PQ and AD is a proportion with PM. Okay. So according to given statement, काय given दिले आपल्याला? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If two triangles are similar, then what? Then their corresponding sides are in same proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. So from that we get AB is proportion with PQ, BC is proportion with QR, and AC is proportion with PR. Equation first, corresponding sides of similar triangles, and angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, and angle C congruent to angle R. Equation number second, because two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion, corresponding angles are congruent. Okay. आता आपल्याला पहा, what we have to prove, AB is proportion with PQ and AD is proportion with PM. Okay, हे जर corresponding sides proportion मध्ये हवे असतील, so we have to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, आपल्याला हे माहिती आहे AB is proportion with PQ आहे, angle B is congruent to angle Q. फक्त आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं की BD is a proportion to QM. Okay. So from equation first, we know that AB upon PQ is equals to, आपण तिथे असंही लिहू शकतो, AD is the median and PM is the median. So BD is half of BC. BD हा कोणाचा हाफ आहे? BC चा पार्ट आहे. So from equation BC लाच आपण असं लिहू शकतो, half of BC upon QR is half of QR. From first, इथे reason लिहूया आपण, AD and PM are medians. AB and PM are medians. So half of BC काय असेल? Half of BC is nothing but BD. So what we get? We get AB is proportional with PQ. Half of BC is nothing but BD and half of QR is nothing but QM. This is what equation number second. Now we get AB is proportional with PQ and BD is proportional with QM. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, from equation second we know that angle B is congruent to angle Q because they are the corresponding angles of ABC and triangle PQR. That's why they are congruent. And from equation, sorry, hello, equation number third one. Okay. And from equation third, AB is proportion with PQ and BD is proportion with QF. AB is proportion with PQ, BD is proportion with QF, and their included angles are also congruent. Therefore, these two triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle PQM, are similar to each other by side angle side. Once two triangles are similar to each other, we know that their all corresponding sides are in same proportion. So AB is a proportion with PQ, BD is a proportion with QM, and AD is also proportion with PM. They are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. That means आपल्याला finally फक्त काय हवंय, AB is proportion with PQ and AD is proportion with PM. एवढं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. That is AD is proportion with PM. This is what we have to prove. Now we are completing the practices 6.3 as well as the next point जो आहे theorem of areas of similar triangle. हा सुद्धा theorem तुम्हाला already झालेला आहे. Now in the next lecture we are going to start the next point or the next exercise which is based on theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay. Now solve the examples from 10 to 16 from practice sets or from the exercise 6.3 and submit it on our WhatsApp group. And last thing which is important for us, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you.